RheEnergise invites you to invest in the development of its long-duration energy storage solution, high-density hydro. Around the world, investments and incentives for renewable energy generation and storage are growing in response to the twin crises of energy security and climate change. High-density hydro is an innovative solution based on proven, reliable and low-cost technology, addressing the projected $1 trillion market for energy storage.
First of all, a huge thank you to our supporters. Since our last raise, we have successfully demonstrated our core technology and have been awarded £9.5 million of additional non-dilutive government funding. We've had our first fully granted patent and others are in the pipeline. We lead partnerships with 3 universities developing fluid chemistry, processing and fluid mechanics. Your investment has helped grow our team from the original 4 founding entrepreneurs to an expert team of 16 and growing.
The big problem with renewables is intermittent supply to the power grid. What to do when the wind doesn't blow or the sun doesn't shine. Experts and industry, such as the global energy consultancy firm AFRI, conclude that energy storage is key to firming the grid. Our high-density hydro energy storage solution uses our proprietary environmentally benign fluid called R19, which is 2.5 times denser than water. Like conventional pumped hydro storage, our fluid is exchanged between an upper and lower storage tank. Low-cost renewable energy pumps the fluid up, waiting to be released during peak energy demand. Replacing water with a high-density fluid allows a significant reduction in the required vertical elevation. Therefore, HD hydro can be used in a closed-loop system buried within any small hill, opening up a vast number of potential new sites. Even the Middle East is an opportunity because we can control evaporation. There are many challenges facing traditional pumped hydro despite its low costs. RheEnergise aims to address all of these challenges while maintaining those industry-leading low costs. RheEnergise projects can be up to 60% smaller volumetrically, involving much less construction. Developers can afford to create many smaller high-density hydro projects in parallel, making them cheaper and faster to build, even before the economics of scale kick in. Developers can also benefit by co-locating HD hydro projects with new and existing wind and solar assets, making renewables dispatchable and firming the grid. HD hydro competes with batteries but lasts longer, with 40% lower levelized costs and with fewer end-of-life liabilities. Our business model is to partner and license our technology to the growing pipeline of potential customers, which includes project developers, asset owners, and manufacturers of equipment with their global presence and existing customers. An accessible supply chain will enable rapid scaling with the ultimate aim of saving gigatons of CO2 whilst delivering low-cost energy security. The cost of delivering electricity to consumers from pumped energy storage is estimated to be 1/4 of today's wholesale prices. Our customer value proposition has been validated by Habitat Energy, the UK's leading energy storage trading company.
As someone who has over a decade of experience investing in utility-scale renewable energy projects across Europe, I know that exponential growth in energy storage is necessary to enable the energy transition. Flexible and scalable solutions are needed on a global basis. I invested in RheEnergise as their solution is novel and one of the most promising. Large-scale storage is necessary to enable the path to full decarbonisation.
Your investment in this round will help accelerate RheEnergise's transition to a growth company and leverage the £9.5 million of government funding. We will be able to achieve more and deliver larger projects, including the 500 kilowatt demonstrator in the summer of 24. We plan to complete a 5 megawatt fully functional prototype late 2025. Join us and help create low-cost, secure, zero-carbon power grids for the future. Thank you.